Hello everyone. Today I am going to tell some tips to write similar triangles in the correct order if ratios of sides are given. If triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF, we know that if two triangles are similar, then the corresponding angles are equal and corresponding sides are in the same ratio. So without figure we can directly write the corresponding angles like this. ABC is one triangle and DEF is another triangle, so we can equal the corresponding angles like this. So here corresponding angles are angle A is equal to angle D and angle B is equal to angle E and angle C is equal to angle F, and the corresponding sides here are AB by DE is equal to BC by EF is equal to AC by DF. So we can write without figure, we can write directly like this. For example, if triangle PQR is similar to triangle BAC, write the letters here in an order PQR and BAC. These are two triangles and here the corresponding angles are equal. So angle P is equal to angle B and angle Q is equal to angle A and angle R is equal to angle C, and the corresponding sides are in the same ratio. So PQ by BA is equal to QR by AC is equal to PR by BC. I am going to tell how to apply these tips in MCQs. So here I am going to tell the questions from NCERT MCQs and NCERT exemplar MCQs. These you can download from Google. So this is 8th question from NCERT MCQ. So if in two triangles ABC and DEF, AB by DF is equal to BC by FE is equal to CA by ED, then we have to show that which are similar, which triangles are there. Are 4 options. So from these 4 options we have to identify which are similar, which triangles are similar. So for this, first you can take these two ratios, AB by DF is equal to BC by FE, and check here AB, the second letter is B and here the first letter is B, so circle these two, and here also DF and FE, so the second letter is F and the first letter is F. So we can write the name of this triangle as ABC, so right here, and here DFE because these are in the order. So triangle ABC is similar to triangle DFE. So here check here, triangle ABC is similar to triangle DFE. This is the option, so answer here is D. This is 4th question from NCERT exemplar, exercise 6.1. Class 10. If in two triangles ABC and PQR, AB by QR is equal to BC by PR is equal to CA by PQ, then we have to identify the triangle names which are similar. So first we take these two ratios, AB by QR is equal to BC by PR. So here the second letter is B and first letter is B, so the triangle name here is ABC, and here in the denominator here QR and here PR, so R is common here. So here R is in the second letter, but here R is not in the first letter. So you have to move this PR as RP. You can write as PR is equal to RP. So you can write as RP. Now QRP, this is the triangle name. So triangle ABC is similar to triangle QRP. Then here triangle ABC is not given. So again you have to check these options. Triangle PQR is given, so you have to write again these triangle names. ABC is similar to QRP, so again here first one is triangle PQR is similar to triangle CAB. So check here, triangle PQR is similar to triangle CAB, like this with arrow you can write. So this first option is correct. So triangle PQR is similar to triangle CAB. So the answer here is A. This is 3rd question from the same exercise from NCERT exemplar. If triangle ABC is similar to triangle EDF and triangle ABC is not similar to triangle DEF, then which of the following is not true? So here these two triangles are similar, so we can equal the ratios, corresponding sides ratios. So AB by ED, because ABC is similar to EDF right here, then AB by ED is equal to BC by DF is equal to AC by EF. First write this, then you have to check the options here. First one is BC into EF. So check here, BC is here, so BC into EF, if you cross multiply these two, then BC into EF is equal to AC into DF or FD. So this is correct, but here we have to take the option which is not true. Second one is AB into EF. So this is first option A, then AB into EF. So AB into EF is here. So AB into EF is equal to AC into ED or DE. So second option is also correct. And third one, BC into DE. So BC into DE or ED is equal to AB into EF. So here AB into DF, not EF. So this is not true. So here instead of DF it is EF. So C is not true. So the answer here is C. This is ninth question. If triangle ABC is similar to triangle DFE, angle A is equal to 30 degrees, angle C is equal to 50 degrees, AB is equal to 5 centimeters, AC is equal to 8 centimeters, and DF is equal to 7.5 centimeters, then which of the following is true? Without drawing the figure, we can directly do by using the tips. First, these two triangles are similar, so write here ABC, DFE. And here some angles are given and some sides are also given. See here AB, AC are given. So we know that corresponding sides ratios are equal. So AB by DF, by using this AB by DF is equal to AC by DE. Why? Because here AB and AC values are given. So we can take AB and AC. So AB by DF is equal to AC by DE. Then here AB, AC, DF values are given. Apply those values here and find DE value, that is 12 centimeters. So DE is equal to 12 centimeters. Next we have to find the angle by using these two angles. So here in this triangle ABC, angle A is equal to 30 degrees, angle C is equal to 50 degrees. And we know that angle B is equal to angle F. So angle F is equal to angle B. And angle B we can find out 180 minus 30 plus 50, because in this triangle angle B is equal to total sum of total angles is 180. 180 minus these two angles is angle B. Then angle B is equal to 100 degrees and angle B is equal to angle F. By using this tip, angle B is equal to angle F. So angle F is equal to 100 degrees and DE is equal to 12 centimeters. Check here. Angle F is 100 degrees, DE is equal to 12 centimeters, that is B option. So answer here is B. This is 10th question. If in triangle ABC and triangle DEF, AB by DE is equal to BC by FD, then they will be similar when these options are given. We have to find the correct option here. If these two triangles are similar, then we have to find which angles are equal. So here AB by DE is equal to BC by FD. Corresponding sides ratios are given here. So first check here AB, here second letter is B and first letter is B here. So you can directly write, and DE, FD, here D is common. So here you can write this as ED and this one DF. So if you write like that, ED and DF, then the second letter here D and first letter D, then you can write the triangle EDF. So here triangle ABC is similar to triangle EDF. Then you can write the corresponding angles. Angle A is equal to angle E, angle B is equal to angle D, angle C is equal to angle F. Then check the options here. Here angle B is equal to angle A. This is not correct. This is not correct. Then angle B is equal to angle D. So this is correct. So answer here is C. This is second question from exercise 6.2 from NCERT exemplar. It is given that triangle DEF is similar to triangle RPQ. Is it true to say that angle D is equal to angle R and angle F is equal to angle P? Why? So here triangle DEF is similar to triangle RPQ. So we can equal the corresponding angles because these two triangles are similar. So here angle D is equal to angle R, angle E is equal to angle P, angle F is equal to angle Q. But here angle D is equal to angle R, that is given. So this is true, and angle F is equal to angle P. So here angle F is equal to angle Q, but not angle F is equal to angle P. So this is not true. So this statement is false since the corresponding angles are not equal. This is fifth question from the same exercise. In triangle PQR and triangle MST, angle P is equal to 55 degrees, angle Q is equal to 25 degrees, angle M is equal to 100 degrees, and angle S is equal to 25 degrees. Is triangle QPR is similar to triangle TSN? Why? So here we have to check whether these two triangles, triangle QPR and triangle TSM, are similar or not. So we have to check here QPR and TSM right here, And here angle Q is 25 degrees, that is given, and angle P is 55 degrees, and angle R is equal to these two angles. This is a triangle, so these two angles sum is 55 plus 25, that is 80, and the sum of the angles in a triangle is 180, so 180 minus 80, that is 100 degrees. So angle R is equal to 100 degrees, and angle T is equal to, here first angle S is given, that is 25, and angle M is equal to, that is also given, 100 degrees. So angle T is equal to 180 minus sum of these two angles, that is 125, that is equal to 55 degrees. So then check here whether these two triangles are similar or not. For that, first see the corresponding angles here. Here angle R is equal to angle M, that is correct, because here 100 degrees, this is also 100 degrees. And here angle P is not equal to angle S because it is 55 and it is 25. And angle Q is not equal to angle T because it is 25 and it is 55. Angle T is 55. So these two are not equal. Since the corresponding angles are not equal, triangle QPR is not similar to triangle TSM.